everyone, what's up? My name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be cleaning my room and taking you guys along with me. Basically, in these past couple weeks, I started a new job, went to North Carolina for a little bit over a week, and my room has just accumulated with stuff, and I just haven't had time to clean it. Also, I have been meaning to donate some clothes and go through my entire closet since I moved back from college for the summer. Have not done that yet, so we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright, so a quick little update. This looks like a complete mess, but I swear there's order to my madness. These are all things I either need to put in my closet, which I absolutely dread doing. My closet is the biggest mess I have right now. So these are all things I need to put in there, and then those as well, and then those are my brother's things, and then those things are just my mom's things, and a couple of my dad's things that just got mixed up in my laundry, I guess. So I guess I'm going to do that now and clean them up. guys, that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below if it inspired you to clean your room. This was definitely a couple days process, and I forgot to film cleaning my bathroom area because it was just bothering me and my camera was dead. And I just needed to like get that done. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you so desire to. And I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye friends.
Chillin' out.